So welcome again in on my YouTube video, and here a course from the Coursera, that is embedded machine learning, week 1, and the quiz for the feature extraction. So we will go step by step and see if our answer is good enough to pass the exam or not. So the first question here is, what is the feature with with regard to machine learning? So what is a feature? The first of all, we have to go step by step. A plot of the data over a time is obviously not a feature. A description of overall shapes and trends in data, that is definitely a feature, and we only have a one option to um, select for. The third is a measurable property of a something that is observed exactly. The feature should have to be measured. That is the value for the x, that is in numbers. Um, the second equation is that feature extraction can be used to the computational complexity of a machine learning model. So feature extraction uh, can be used to reduce. Obviously, if we change the features in the model, then we can make it less complex. So it is obviously true one. What is the inference with regard to the machine learning? So inference is a process where we give the unseen data to the trained model, and that is how we check the validity of the model, if it is good to go, or we still have to improve. So there is a the second option, that is using a trained model to make a prediction with the unseen data. We'll just can go to the fourth one, hyperparameter. So there is a difference between parameter and hyperparameter are automatically updated during the model training. So during the model training we are using parameters, not a hyperparameter. So definitely it is going to be false. You generally want to use a different feature extraction method between training and inference. So where when are we using the feature extraction method? What is the first of all, what is the feature? So it is a measured property, and it can reduce the complexity of the machine learning. So before we train, we should have to decide which features to use. So we cannot change the feature between training and inference, because inference using a training model and will predict the same thing. So you want to use different feature extraction between training and inference is definitely going to be false. So now I will just submit this quiz and let's see what happens. Yeah, so after submitting quiz, I got 100%, and you can, after submitting the quiz, you got a comment section here that why it is true, or sometimes you got comments why it is not the good answer. So thank you very much for seeing my video, and we'll see in another video. Bye.